Good morning. Happy Saturday. We are slowly but surely inching our way towards spring. I say that as there's snow flurries in the air, but it's happening. This past week was a nice little change of pace. I think a lot of us had weather like that. I'm desperate for some sunshine. I'm in desperate need for that feeling of like the spring, the warm weather, where you have a really nice day, it's sunny, and it feels just like a weight has been lifted off your shoulders after the months of cold and gray skies. And there's something else that gives me that feeling, that refreshing weight lifted off your shoulders feeling, and that's a deeply cleaned and organized house. We're gonna put out some spring energy today into the house with some spring cleaning and organizing, and we're getting intense. There's gonna be no stone left unturned. I'm excited. I'm gonna break it up. It's Saturday right now. We're gonna do it today and tomorrow, do as much as we can. Let's begin. We're gonna start with eating the frog. This is something that my dad would always say to me when I was younger, and it's an expression that means to complete your most dreaded or difficult task first. It's a productivity technique to help you get things done and to not procrastinate. And my frog is always vacuuming and mopping. I just hate it. I put it off, but not today. Let's do it. And I need to chug my coffee because I literally feel like a zombie. I want nothing more than to lay on the couch all weekend. But we have things to do. I saw on TikTok that the girlies are washing their showers with their mops, and it just seems so much more enjoyable. I just cleaned the rest of the floors that I needed to, so that this mop can now be used for the showers. Let's do this one, see how it goes, possibly use it in the next bathroom too. But then we're done with the floors, which is amazing, and then I'm just gonna go on to cleaning the bathrooms. That's the other dreaded task. I bought some new organizers for under the sinks in the bathrooms that I'm very excited about. So we're cruising along. We're deep cleaning the bathrooms now. Let's get to it. Okay, big news, breaking news. Using the mop to clean the shower. It's awesome. It's like super quick, super easy. You're not like breaking your back. So, get excited. Just thought you'd want to know. You excited?
That means you're gonna clean the shower?
I am cleaning your shower today.
Whoa.
Yep. You could fold this pile of laundry if you'd like. To repay me. If you're feeling like it. Good morning. Happy Sunday. I had 2 glasses of wine last night. Tell me why I woke up feeling hungover. It was 2 glasses of wine, But honestly, the place we were at, it was like really heavy pours, to be honest. So I feel like they gave me like literally half a bottle of wine in these 2 glasses, seriously. Which is amazing, of course, I'll take that. But I have so much to do today, I really wasn't planning on even drinking. So the heavy pours I didn't need last night, but I'm not hungover. I woke up, took some ibuprofen. I was feeling a bit under the weather, but now all is well. I just need to make a coffee, and I've been waiting so that we can make it together. So I'm folding laundry, but let's make a coffee. Hi, Fernie. She just looks like a little lamb. Little lamb? And hello to you too. You cute boy. He's gonna snuggle. Aww. Best friends. You want to taste a really yummy coffee? Yeah, you.
I'll get it just brush.
Oh.
Thank you though.
Birdie, I have to make you one of these though. Bless you. I have to make you one of these. It's called a Teddy Graham latte.
Didn't say that when you asked me if I wanted to.
Does that change your mind?
Yeah, we'll try some.
You come over here. It's really yummy.
It's good.
What do you think? Out of 10?
Got an 8.
The best thing about it, it tastes good. It's nothing crazy, but it's so much less sugar than like a coffee creamer. So like so much better for you than those like I'm really trying to cut down on like the sugar. I know we were talking about that. But okay, so we have the floors done, which is huge. Like I said, I hate that. My bathroom is fully deep cleaned and organized. It took me a long time yesterday doing all of that. But today we're gonna start out by deep cleaning the guest bathroom, which is also Brody's bathroom. We get ready at the same time in the morning, and so it's nice having like our own spaces. So we call it his bathroom, but it's the guest bathroom. Deep clean that, and then we just have to like actually clean the house, which is like more fun to me than cleaning the floors and stuff. So very exciting things ahead. But I'm gonna finish folding this laundry and drink my coffee. On to cleaning the bedroom. I just went around on the carpet and used this spot stain remover. Miss Fern, the 7-month-old baby, just can't get potty trained. Something's not clicking. Something's not clicking, Steven. Like literally this carpet has just been completely ruined by her. Anytime she pees, of course we clean it up, but sometimes there's just like some stains. Gonna go through, scrub the carpet, and then we'll deep clean this bedroom, including the dog crates. I already went around and sprayed, and I put down little post-its so I know where I cleaned, so I can go now and scrub. I'm cleaning my nightstand, and I was looking at all my bookmarks that my grandma made me. How cute are all of these? Also, look at all the random stuff in my nightstand. But I've been teaching myself how to crochet if you're new here. And these are some of the things that my grandma's crocheted for me, and they're just so cute, and I can't wait till I can make stuff like this. This one's a little flower, some like traditional bookmarks. This one is so cute. It's just a bunch of hearts, little flowers, 2 little hearts on either end. So cute. This is my little collection. She makes them for me all the time. I actually have the cutest thing to hang in my car that she made me. I'll have to show you guys that in another video. Intermission. I broke a nail. I have on these press-ons from Amazon that I love. They've stayed on for almost 2 weeks now. I have had to re-glue 1 or 2 of the nails, and with all the cleaning that I've been doing, I'm surprised this is the only one that has fallen off, honestly. Okay, good to go. On TikTok say that if you're keeping your home clean, you have to be cleaning the exterior and interior of your garbage can just to prevent like any smells building up over time. And ever since I saw that TikTok, I clean my trash can religiously. Spring cleaning is done. I actually have a handful of things that I still want to do. I'm starting to film a week in my life tomorrow. This video is going up tomorrow, so I'm going to end the spring cleaning here. Everything I wanted to do, I got done. I would like to deep clean the coat closet, go through all my coats, reorganize all of that. Same thing with my closet and a couple other tiny things, but everything is super clean in here. It feels so good. It's Sunday, so I feel nice and prepared for the week. I just hope the spring weather arrives soon. I'm so sick of it. I'm so excited for warm weather. The sun, it's gonna be amazing. I hope you got some inspo to do some spring cleaning and organizing. I really want to make one of those like weekly cleaning schedules where you just kind of do like little by little all week, because I do a big clean on Sundays, but not every Sunday because it's a lot and it takes hours and hours and hours. So let me know if any of you guys do that like weekly cleaning schedule or whatever your cleaning schedule is. And if you made it to the end of this video, comment one thing you want to do for spring cleaning this year, whether it's cleaning out your closet, storage spaces, bathrooms, whatever it is. Let me know. My dogs are fighting. I'm gonna go. I love you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy Monday if you're watching this when I upload. I hope you have an amazing week. Make sure you follow me on all my social media so that we can be friends. I've been posting more all over there. I've been posting me cooking, just day-to-day life types of things, a lot on my Instagram story. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. Bye.